Hey everyone, and welcome back to my kitchen. Today, we're retaking a trip down memory lane and bringing a little bit of pinktastic magic into our baking. That's right, we're making a classic apple pie, but with a special, glamorous twist inspired by none other than Barbie herself. Get ready for a dessert that's not only delicious, but also perfectly picture-worthy. First things first, let's talk about the heart of any great apple pie, the crust. Now, Barbie wouldn't settle for just any crust, would she? We're making a super flaky, all-butter pie dough from scratch. Don't be intimidated. I'll walk you through every single step. The key is to keep your butter and water iced. This creates little pockets of butter in the dough, which then steam up in the oven, giving us those incredible melt-in-your-mouth layers. We'll make enough for a bottom crust and a beautiful lattice top, because presentation is everything. While our dough is chilling in the fridger, very important step, by the way, let's prepare our fabulous filling. We're using a mix of Granny Smith and Honeycrisp apples. The Granny Smiths give us that perfect tartness that cuts through the sweetness, while the Honeycrisps hold their shape beautifully and add a lovely, balanced flavor. Remember to slice them evenly so they cook at the same rate. No one wants a crunchy apple in their soft, gooey pie. Now for the flavor magic. To our sliced apples, we're adding a cozy blend of cinnamon, a pinch of nutmeg, and a little squeeze of fresh lemon juice to brighten everything up and prevent the apples from browning. We'll toss in some brown sugar and a bit of all-purpose flour. Give it all a good toss until every single apple slice is coated in that sweet, spicy goodness. The smell alone is just divine. All right, our dough has chilled, and it's time to assemble our masterpiece. We'll roll out the bottom crust and gently place it into our pie dish. Don't stretch it, just let it settle in. Now, pile in that glorious apple filling. Mound it up high in the center because the apples will cook down a bit. It might seem like a lot, but trust me, you want a nice, full pie. Here comes the fun part. The lattice top. This is where we really channel our inner Barbie. We'll cut our remaining dough into even strips. I'll show you the simple over-under weaving technique that looks so impressive but is actually super easy to do. It's like braiding, but for a pie. Once our lattice is complete, we'll trim the edges and crimp them for that classic polished look, to get that signature golden brown, shiny finish. We'll brush the top with a little egg wash and sprinkle on some coarse sugar for extra sparkle and crunch. Into the oven it goes. We'll start it at a high temperature to set the crust and then lower it to let the filling cook through until it's bubbly and thick. Your entire home is going to smell like the most amazing bakery. The hardest part is waiting for it to cool down a bit before slicing. This allows the filling to set properly. And there you have it. A beautiful, delicious, Barbie-inspired apple pie. The crust is golden and flaky. The filling is perfectly sweet and spiced, and every bite is pure comfort and joy. This is the perfect dessert for any occasion, or just for when you want to add a little bit of sparkle to your day. Thank you so much for baking along with me today. I hope you have as much fun making this as I did. If you try this recipe, be sure to tag me in your photos. I'd love to see your creations. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more fun recipes, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a thing. Happy baking!